All right, welcome back to another fitness vlog, everyone. So this is a daily vlog. My friend is asking me actually. Shout out to you, Sal. Um, he's asking me if I upload every day. I said yes, indubitably yes. I do. I do upload every day because every day is it's like a task for me that I love the most, and it's the most important thing that I could add to my workout. I mean, it's not for everyone, for everyone who likes filming themselves working out, because not everyone has the confidence to film themselves every day at the gym. Yeah, right. So, what I am trying to say is, if you love working out, you guys should stay at this channel and hit the like and subscribe button, right? So, let's put a plug over there. So, how are you guys doing? I'm doing great myself as well. Um, I had a wonderful rest and I had best time lately. But tomorrow I would be going to the school to discuss some things with the dean because um, yeah, I mean that's a personal problem of mine. I'll just add it up here. I won't discuss it that much, but yeah, um, I bought some electrolyte powder lately, and I already put it inside my water bottle. It's not the shaker. The shaker I use it for creatine or whey. The other one is just water, but I put electrolyte powder so I could have hydration at my workouts, right? So um, hydration is most important. I keep on saying this at every single vlog that I do because today is leg day. Leg day today, baby. Let's go. I can't walk again. I can feel it, but that's the thing. We train till failure. Our legs are the most important thing in our body because we use it for walking. We don't just use it for. We don't use it for talking, of course, dude. How the fuck would you even make your foot talk, right? Or your legs, your quads talk? So let's just wait for this guy to go in. Okay. Just scooch in here because he went to a one way. This place is a one way, dude. Why? It's quite tight here, man. So um, today I was speaking to my friend about things about his injury, and he's still not feeling good. He actually fractured his humerus. So he broke his humerus while playing arm wrestling. Yeah. So Sal, shout out to you. Hope you get well soon and maybe go back to gym because thing is the gym miss you, man. Yeah. So um, let's just drive for a bit and just chill. Hey, all right. Let's do quick warm ups with the prone leg press. All right. Let's do like 15 to 30. Hate the leg day, dude. All right. Stimulate our hamstring for this. Okay, now we rest for the main set. Ah, damn. I mean, trying to activate your hamstrings, bro. Ugh, fucking burns a lot. Yeah, you want that solid ass hamstrings when you work out. That's the thing. Yeah. Right now, it's the same amount of people here inside the gym. Yeah, but I'm getting a bit more comfortable doing this, man. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it feels really normal for me now, filming myself and just speaking to the camera. It's nice. You know what? Um, uh, but sometimes I just realize that even though like I'm a bit sick, like like a teensy bit sick, I still go to gym. I don't know. Cause there are no excuses for gains, man. That's the thing. There are no excuses. So even if you're a teensy bit sick, go ahead. But if you're really sick, find yourself healing at your house and stay hydrated, right? So you just need to keep on going. There's no reason to stop your gains, man. Let's say you're still going to school, taking classes, bro. Thing is, um, still have time for workouts. I mean, just need like 1 hour 30 or just an hour for the workout. It's not that much, right? So always find time for fitness. Yeah. So let's go. Down the tower, warm up. That's the main set. Main set would be fucking devastating. All right. Now later we're gonna do a squat. Yeah. After this, damn. The thing I hate the most leg days is when you try to take a dump. Makes you sit more. You want to get up. You try to take a dump. And suddenly your legs will just give up. You won't be able to freaking flush it properly. Or maybe you're gonna wash your ass with a bidet or a tissue, dude. What the fuck? It's fucking hard. I'm saying. And going to the stairs are the fucking worst, dude. So yeah, well you're fucked when that happens. So now that's gonna happen to me because we train till failure, bro. Shit. Also, I spilled some freaking pre-workout at my pants. Now it's stained. I was mixing the pre-workout crazily at the house because I was excited to go to gym again. Yeah. Then suddenly, the freaking pre-workout fell at the top of my pants, so I have no idea what happened. But yeah, shit, shit happens, dude. Shit. No spotter, no problem. Saw that from Sam. He spotted himself. He was like carrying buttloads of fucking metal here. Bruh. The leg day is exhausting. Yeah. Alright, buddy. Give me at least 8 to 12. Alright. Fucking finally. Okay. We did at least 4 sets of this. I'm gonna move to the rack now. Okay, let's go. Uh, should I wear shorts? I still have my pump here. Yeah, I think we could wear shorts. This is my freaking pants. Keeps on pulling down. Yeah. Okay. Give me a sec. All right. Whew, thank you. Ah, okay. Mm, alright. Mm, okay. So, i-arch ko pa yung likod ko. Ay, wait. Okay. Okay. Sige, sa pa ako dito.
Tapos kapag ka-leg day na, more on pahinga ka. Para
Hmm.
hindi masayang yung workout. Kasi
Okay.
mabilis siya makapagod.
Hmm.
Yun, makabahaba mo.
Okay. Isa pa. Okay. Ah, nagets ko na kung bakit.
Tingala ka lang.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm?
Pre-workout ka.
Ah, ah.
Ano gamit yung pre-workout?
Ano, Insane Lab. Pero minsan pagka ano, kunyari naubos yung Insane Lab ko, ang pre-workout ko is Red Bull or ano eh, ah, Monster na puti, yung low fat. Yoko nung ano, nung mango.
Ay, ako naman gusto ko yung mangga. Kapag nag-crave ako sa
Hmm. Sarap naman yung mango. Problema ko lang.
pero parang hindi ganun kalakas yung effect.
Oo. Para lang ako nag-juice. Bili na lang ako ng ano nun, plus. Ay. Ah. Yung ano eh, pick ng ano ko eh. Ah. Kaya nga eh. Oo. Ang ina, ganun pala pakiramdam ng 20 dito.
Masarap eh, no?
Oo.
Doon na. Tingala ka lang, titingala ka lang. Gawin mo, tingnan mo yung sarili mo.
Ah.
Para lang
Ayaw pa mag 25. 25 to.
kaya mo mag-qualify.
Kaya to. Ah.
Kaya mo yun, may ano ko eh.
Kaya nga eh. Whew. Ah.
Last, last.
Ah. Oh shit. Puta. Kaya pa to. Lagay tayo sa...
Ito ka natin, okay na to. Okay mo.
Okay muna yan. Warm up lang muna.
Ilang reps tayo?
8 to 12.
Pilitin natin makatay.
Okay. Over ka pala magano. Alright. Ba't naka-long socks ako eh? Naglo-long socks ako pag nagde-deadlift.
Bakit?
Nakakayod.
Diba tama ka?
Eh, puro ano. Kalbong-kalbo na sa akin. Abot pa tayo hanggang 1 rep max.
Alin natin, pag nag-equal.
Kaya nga.
Birthday ka ba bukas?
Bukas?
Oo.
Chess?
Siyempre na mo.
Chess ako bukas. Kasi,
Doon sabay tayo.
sabihin na kita.
Add mo ako sabay.
Sige.
Bago sa walking lang naman, doing intensity card.
Okay. Hindi ako, athletics kasi ako dati. Nine. 10. Last one. Nice one. Whew, na. How I miss you. Kasi sa backdate, titirayan na naman tong ano eh. Buti talaga, foam floor to. Buti foam yung floor. Man. God, I love this. See calluses like this, dude. This is hard work right here. Yeah. Whew. Well, finally got someone to talk to. Whew. Seven. Last one, push. Nice one. Kaya ko pa 10 eh.
Tumabila ko rin sa squat eh. Siguro sa squat na gano'n ako.
Hmm?
Parang 120 kg kanina.
Ilan na ba to?
12 reps. 6 to 8 reps.
6?
6 to 8 reps.
6 to 8 reps. Oo, 6 to 8 reps talaga.
Kaya mo yun, nakalipa ko.
Yung grip ko na yung kalaban ko doon. Sabi nung yung grip ko doon dulas.
Bumitaw ka na.
Oo. Yan.
Watch na ako. Tapos mo.
Walking. Sige. Odds na.
12 to 15 reps.
15? 15 to 20.
15 to 20.
Oo. Paano yung ano mo dyan? Compound-compound isolation o isolation compound-compound? Yeah, push. Paano yung ano mo dyan? Compound-compound isolation.
Compound. Ako, ganun.
Bawat ano natin. Ay, okay na pala to. Nine. Si Hugo pagkakasama ko naman. Ayan. Eh boy, apat pa. Putang ina mong apat pa. Wala na. Wala na po ako. 10 pa lang. 10 pa lang. Hindi ko nabilang.
20 na.
20. Hindi ko nabilang. Ang daming tao ngayon. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kaya pa 5. 16, 18, 19, 20. Ah! Nah! Shit. Ha! Gusto mo, magsisi-squat pa tayo eh, para, ano, kuwawa.
Paano si?
Doon tayo sa, ano, sa Smith.
Okay.
Tapos na ganito tayo. Hindi,
Hindi ko pa naman workout calves eh.
calves, ayun, kasama doon sa sisi squat. Kasi nakatingkayad kang ganito. Mag-squat ka pa ganyan.
Ganyan?
So, tignan mo yung ano ko. Tapos nakaganto ka. Bali, maglalagay lang tayo dito ng plate sa ilalim.
Okay. Ilang sets yun?
Doon, kadalasan lang 3. Hindi kami pwede mag-4.
Okay.
Light. Tapos yung reps natin doon, ano, 8 to 10. Kasi kneecaps, kuwawa doon.
Pero hindi siya isolation sa calves eh, no?
Nakatingkayad ka doon madalas eh. Ayan, tingnan. Hmm. Yeah. Good. 17, 18, 19, 20. Ito na. Shit.
Adjust mo.
Ah. Yeah. Ah, fuck. Ingat. Bukas, malaman kung kakayanin ng legs ko. Sige, ingat. Ay, 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 mamma mia. Ah, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Push, push, push. 15. Push, push. Ah, 10, 14, 15. Drop. Failure. Ito na yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Push pa, push, push, push. Kaya pa yan. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice one. Parehas lang pala tayo ng tugtog halos. Parehas lang tayo ng tugtog. Ang update na. Ako nga eh. Kung nakamotor ka ngayon, clutch-clutch ka dyan talaga, tas pulikat. Oh, parehas tayo ng tugtog. Dito na makikinig. Ay, shit, man. Kaya natin i-5 ata yan. Let's go. Ano sport mo dati?
MMA.
MMA? Specialty mo doon is All right. Well, I'm back at the car. Another car scene right here. Well, we met our friend Jiro. Um, our friend in the gym. I mean, it's quite nice to have another friend at the gym. I mean, it's not every time you get friends like that that'll push you to your limits. So now the update is I'm still at 13% body fat and I'm still maintaining. Yeah, I'm still eating my macros. Still complete with my protein intake. Yeah, and now, well, it was fun. Quite exhausting, but it's a fun leg day today. So I met new friends. Yeah. Maybe I'll bring Angelo with me again tomorrow because tomorrow is push day, so it's chest day, and chest day is fun day. Yeah. So, well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and like like and hit the notification bell. Yeah, forgot how to do my outro again. Okay. Um, Stay fit and stay healthy, everyone.